yone sulima mai ko suba lua. Ola inga nei yo tau ferfani. They on our father. My command is this: love each other as I have loved you. Se kufa fia fa mafainga le kulia fa fia le ferfani. Kaya le tua ono o baya le yafi o lo mau pe tato o tala bau. Se kulia ferfani. To me is love each other and love your neighbors, love everyone, and as Jesus loves you and me. Ya o se famar uma o meia ni ya fiaki.
Local pele valu tosa na mate pagiki. I was brought up, and the kitchen is my placing in my family. Lea e o mai te mine, I love the kitchen because I love the food cooking. My advice to you guys, se kuka lelei, doesn't matter what sort of cooking inside your house, serve your parents. O le teimi nei taunga e au naima e tau tuatunu le aina. Serve your parents, takeaways is nothing. But what you prepare in your family, it doesn't matter whether it's pancakes, it doesn't matter whether it's mashed potato, ai e whai o tā pena se kuka tono ai se whaman reo mātua e te oe. Kei mingi, loto mātutua, you need blessings. Blessings in your life, you need blessings. Awane e manatu vai o mātua. O le vai o mātua, leo tō mātutu ai, leo tō wola mai ai. O le vai ma le loa e o mātua whenga mui, leo tō malolosi ai. So don't look down at your parents. They are your parents, they are your blessings. So, my advice for you guys, serve your parents. Ole awala fo ina man mo en family ang mele tua. Ole au na yo matua. Ele ngatele ole tua. Put God first and then your parents. Ye ava yo matua. Fa le va ina yo.